It's only 10 a.m, and as he walks back to the office from his first customer meeting of the day, Tim is thinking about lots of things, finally teaching his son to ride a bike, and of course not forgetting his wife's birthday. But most of all, he's thinking of new ways to make his business more efficient. Keeping profits up and costs down has become a daily challenge these days. While he was in his morning meeting, another customer had called him on his direct line back at the office and left him a message about a new opportunity that requires his immediate attention. In the past, Tim sometimes used to miss these messages because his desk phone and mobile phone were on completely separate systems. Now through Vodafone One Net, they are one and the same. Totally integrated, they share the same number and the same voicemail, as well as a range of additional features that have been individually tailored to him and each member of his team. As if he didn't have enough to deal with, the customer needs a quote by the end of the day. He quickly sets up a conference call to brief his team on the opportunity and agree a plan of action. Like him, not everybody is in the office this morning, but this is not a problem anymore. With Vodafone One Net, he knows they can work effectively wherever they are. It's late in the afternoon. Tim arrives back at the office, and on his way he bumps into Stephanie, his project manager, who's coordinating the response to the customer. Quick turnarounds are her speciality. Tim is really excited about this new opportunity. However, his enthusiasm is not fully shared by Stephanie, who knows that more work will mean temporary staff joining the team, which brings its own admin challenges. Tim isn't concerned because he knows that Vodafone One Net allows him to add new members with just a few clicks online, and that he'll only pay for what the business needs. He also knows that because the solution is managed by Vodafone, he doesn't have to worry about his business communication. It's all covered. And if they do ever have any problems, Joe, his PA, only has to call one number to reach the dedicated Vodafone support team. Pleased with his team's work, turning around a great proposal to the customer in record time, Tim grabs a much-needed cup of coffee while reviewing his accounts. The amount of paperwork that used to arrive on his desk each month really irritated Tim, but now with Vodafone One Net's single contract, his monthly bills and paperwork have been reduced. For a simple fixed monthly fee per user, his team can now call each other at no additional cost wherever they are. And by taking out his old telephone system, Tim takes satisfaction in knowing that he's saving up to 20% on his overall communications costs. The phone rings. It's the customer, finding him exactly where he is. Keen to find out the finer details, he walks back to his desk and transfers the call from his mobile to his desk phone. Tim is delighted. His team's hard work and quick turnaround have sealed the deal. He can't wait to share the good news with the whole team, just what they needed.